Leo's happy day. Good morning. The sun is up. Leo wakes up at 7 o'clock. He is happy to start a new day. He stretches his arms and smiles. Leo goes to the bathroom. He washes his face with cold water. Then he brushes his teeth. His teeth are white and clean. Now Leo is hungry. He goes to the kitchen. He eats bread and eggs for breakfast. He drinks a glass of orange juice. Yummy, he says. Leo puts on his bag and opens the door. He sees his neighbor, Maya. Good morning, Maya, Leo says with a big wave. Maya smiles at Leo. Hello, Leo, she says. How are you today? Maya is ready for her walk. I am fine, thank you. And you? Leo asks. Maya answers. I am great. They are happy to see each other. It is 12 o'clock. It is time for lunch. Leo sits on a bench in the park. He eats a large sandwich and an apple. In the afternoon, Leo walks home. He sees Maya again near the shop. Good afternoon, Maya, Leo says. Good afternoon, Leo, Maya replies. The sun goes down. It is evening. Leo is at home. He reads a book and relaxes on the sofa. It is a very quiet and peaceful evening. Now it is 10 o'clock. Leo is tired. He goes to his bedroom and turns off the light. Good night, world, Leo whispers. He falls asleep.
At what time does Leo wake up? What does Leo drink for breakfast? Who is Leo's neighbor? Write your answers in the comments.
Slowingo.
Daily actions. Wakes up. Wakes up. Leo wakes up at 7 o'clock. Stretches. Stretches. He stretches his arms. Washes. Washes. He washes his face. Brushes. Brushes. He brushes his teeth. Eats. Eats. He eats bread and eggs. Drinks. Drinks. He drinks a glass of orange juice. Walks. Walks. Leo walks home. Reads. Reads. He reads a book. Relaxes. Relaxes. And relaxes on the sofa. Falls asleep. Falls asleep. He falls asleep. Food and objects. Bread. Bread. He eats bread and eggs. 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 He eats bread and eggs. Glass. Glass. He drinks a glass of orange juice. 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 He drinks a glass of orange juice. Bag. Bag. Leo puts on his bag. Sandwich. Sandwich. He eats a large sandwich. Apple. Apple. And an apple. Book. Book. He reads a book. Light. Light. And turns off the light. Sofa. Sofa. Relaxes on the sofa. Greetings and people. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Maya. Neighbor. Neighbor. He sees his neighbor, Maya. Hello. Hello. Hello, Leo, she says. How are you? How are you? How are you today? Fine. Fine. I am fine, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am fine, thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Maya. Good night. Good night. Good night, world, Leo whispers. Places and time. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Leo wakes up at 7 o'clock. Bathroom. Bathroom. Leo goes to the bathroom. Kitchen. Kitchen. He goes to the kitchen. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. Park. Park. Leo sits on a bench in the park. Shop. Shop. He sees Maya again near the shop. Evening. Evening. It is evening. Home. Home. Leo is at home. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Now it is 10 o'clock. Bedroom. Bedroom. He goes to his bedroom. Adjectives and feelings. Happy. Happy. He is happy to start a new day. New. New. Start a new day. Cold. Cold. He washes his face with cold water. White, white. His teeth are white. Hungry, hungry. Now Leo is hungry. Ready, ready. Maya is ready for her walk. Large, large. He eats a large sandwich. Quiet, quiet. It is a very quiet and peaceful evening. Peaceful, peaceful. It is a very quiet and peaceful evening. Tired, tired. Leo is tired. Quiz time. At what time does Leo wake up? What does Leo drink for breakfast? Who is Leo's neighbor? Write your answers in the comments.